During Yahya Jammeh's 20-year rule of the Gambia, hundreds of people were killed, kidnapped, tortured, and forcibly disappeared. Ousman Sonko was his right man and former Interior Minister. His trial opened in Switzerland this Monday with charges including crimes against humanity. He's the highest-ranking official ever to be tried under universal jurisdiction in Europe. Let's first listen to one of the plaintiffs, Madi Cissé. He accuses Sonko of false imprisonment and torture.
Almost every Gambian's life has been affected, either directly or indirectly, by the regime of which Sonko had a key position. When I was arrested and then re-arrested, stayed there and tortured by them, Ousman Sonko was in the know, because those are all, it's a link. So it is all under his supervision. So I cannot hold anybody accountable other than Ousman Sonko because he was the chief police officer then.
And now our correspondent Sam Bradpiece brings us more on the story.
Ousman Sonko fled to Switzerland in 2016 following the collapse of the Jammeh regime. In 2017, an NGO called Trial International filed a criminal complaint against Sonko, who's been in pre-trial custody ever since. He's indicted on various charges, including participating in, facilitating, and failing to prevent killings, rape, torture, and unlawful detentions. The trial is expected to last until the end of January, but could go on some time further. Mr. Sonko's lawyers have argued that the Swiss tribunal doesn't have the jurisdiction to trial Mr. Sonko. Meanwhile, a legal advisor for Trial International told me that he hopes the former Interior Minister of the Gambia is found guilty on all charges and that this will put pressure on Yahya Jammeh and the authorities in Equatorial Guinea, where the former Gambian dictator is currently living in exile.